My name is Iruka Okeke. I'm in the Department of Pharmaceutical Microbiology at the University of Ibadan. I'm a professor here. I do research on bacteria, and I also teach students microbiology, genetics, and genomics. It's unfortunate that a number of individuals, particularly young children today in Nigeria, have bloodstream infections caused by organisms like Salmonella that causes typhoid and other infections, E. coli, Klebsiella. It is possible to treat these infections if you give the children the right antibiotic as soon as they show symptoms. Infections are the greatest cause of illness and death in Nigeria and other African countries. So I think we really have to double down and figure out how we can prevent them, how we can treat them, so that our relatively young population can live productive and healthy lives. We work with the Nigeria Center for Disease Control to help quality assure Nigeria's antimicrobial resistance surveillance system. And because we have the generous funding that comes with my Callistus Juma Fellowship, we're able to then mine those genomes to get additional information that can be used to develop tools that can be used to improve diagnostics and also develop preventive strategies against bacteria. In our lab in Ibadan, we actually use very expensive methods to be able to generate the genomes from bacteria. And what we would like to do is to create cheaper methods that can be used perhaps in a rural hospital. And so having generous funding allows us to be able to do that and to develop more usable methods that will potentially have a lower cost. In the last 5 years, most African countries have acquired some genomic capacity, and they're now sequencing the genomes of pathogens for surveillance purposes. This is a minefield of information that can be used to generate tools that can be used to combat the diseases that these organisms cause. I think if I achieve all the objectives for my current Callistus Juma project, it will be very satisfying. But what will be even more satisfying is to have a cadre of young African scientists that have learned the techniques and approaches and can apply them to a wealth of other pathogens. I think then the potential is limitless for us in Nigeria. It's exciting to be doing science in Nigeria at this time. We're right in the middle of a genomic revolution that allows us to read the genomes of bacteria that are causing infections around us. We can use this information in very clever ways to be able to address the diseases that these bacteria cause. None of this was possible 40 years ago. So it's a real privilege and very, very exciting to be doing science at this time.